Here's a question that sounds simple, but once you actually think about it, it creates problems for both science and God. This isn't an atheist versus theist argument, and it's not trying to convert anyone. The question doesn't care what you believe. The question is, why does anything exist at all? Not how the universe works, not what it's made of, but why there is something instead of nothing. Religion usually answers this very confidently by saying God created the universe. Clean answer, feels complete. But the moment you accept that, the same question comes back even stronger. And why does God exist? The common response is that God is necessary and the universe is contingent, meaning God exists by default while the universe needs an explanation. But here's the part most people don't like admitting. You can make the exact same move for the universe. You can say the universe exists necessarily and suddenly God is no longer required. At that point, the argument isn't really about logic anymore, it's about preference. Now, to be fair, science doesn't escape either. Physics can explain how the universe evolved, the Big Bang, particles, forces, equations, all of that. But when you ask why these laws exist in the first place, science doesn't have an answer yet. Not because scientists are unintelligent, but because equations don't answer why questions. And here's where things get uncomfortable. Maybe the idea of absolute nothingness is impossible. Maybe existence itself doesn't need a cause. Maybe nothing is the real fantasy. If that's true, then asking why something exists is like asking why fire is hot. Religion responds to this by giving certainty without proof, while science responds with uncertainty but honesty. And humans hate uncertainty. Psychologically, we would rather accept a wrong answer than live with no answer at all. Our brains crave closure the same way we crave confirmation, so the real question isn't about God or science. The real question is, if existence itself might not need an explanation, then why do we need one so badly?